Hi everyone, welcome to I Just React and Review. My name is Ashmita and I hope you all are doing well. And for today's music video reaction, I have chosen a song again which was highly requested by so many of you. This is I Am Mallu. This has been composed, wait, I think he is the composer only. Yes, this has been directed, written, composed and performed by Rinosh George. And this says in the title that official music video Malayali anthem. So I'm guessing he's talking about him being a Malayali and of course being proud of it. So yeah, I went to his about page as well, where it was written in the description that he became very viral because of this particular song. This came in 2016 and he has also given music composition for a movie called Nonsense. And he's also an actor. So yes, you guys already told me that this video was already subtitled, so I'm really thankful for that. And let's react to I Am Mallu. Subtitle. Auto-generated English? Oh, I think it's already there, maybe in the video itself. They've already included it. Okay, let's see. Okay, let's start the reaction for I Am Mallu. Let's check out this song. We are simply awesome. Okay. Oh, nice.
Yeah. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
I'm from the southern part of India and yes, I'm a Malayali. Kerala is the state who will be chilling with Mahabali. I share a fishy bond with the dude who is a Bengali. Now that's a nice beard, bro. Are you a fan of Niv and Polly? You can find me everywhere in every freaking gully. High life of the group, bro. My friends call me Aliyah.
Aliyah?
What you like and I say parota and beef curry.
Hey, beef is banned, bro.
Not there.
പക്ഷെ എനിക്ക് yeah, we got them girls with the key and ball. We also got the Idiki gold. The movies always remain untold. I chase that
movies
we
always
need to
remain
with rice and dal.
untold.
Told me watching Mohanlal. We be pasting on the NH.
NH?
Small FM chama.
M-A-L-L-U, M-A-L-L-u.
Ababallo.
M-A-L-L-u, M-A-L-L-u.
Ababallo.
M-A-L-L-u,
Oh,
M-A-L-L-u.
Ababallo.
M-A-L-L-u, L-A-L-A-L-A-L-L-u. Yeah, baby. Malayali.
No wonder this went viral.
In the house.
One day I was chilling at the park with my chick whose name was Sophie. She said, Ayo chata mara varunu chube. We got Popey. Give me anything I'm okay. Brigadi or VSOP. Rana madicha Suresh Gopi. Now, one of the things we get mocked is the way we talk in English. But have you heard of the ones that do who can rip you from start to finish? Like Shashi Tharoor and Vidya Balan, Manoj Naik, Shyamalan, Shobana, Arundhati Roy.
Shobana.
Oh boy, man. No, we don't just coconut in every dish we make. Call me Mother Rasi and your L I will break. Boy from Bengaluru who is holding the Mallu torch. If you've seen This is Bengaluru, you know my name is Rinosh George and Amma.
M-A-L-L-u,
So he's from
M-A-L-L-u.
Bangalore.
M-A-L-L-u, M-A-L-L-u. M-A-L-L-u, M-A-L-L-u.
M-A-L-L-U, M-A-L-L-U.
M-A-L-L-u, M-A-L-L-u.
Oh, this one catchy.
M-A-L-L-u, M-A-L-L-u. M-A-L-L-u, M-A-L-L-u. M-A-L-L-u,
Padikkalle.
Malayali. In the house.
I'm a Mallu.
But he was not riding the bike. Nice. He has such a nice personality. I really like that. Very confident. I really like the way he's just. It's really not rap. It's a song only. Sort of, you can say a little bit rap. Yes. Let me stop this. Ooh, this was so much fun. Couple of lines were really nice. The one thing that I really liked was when he said, that people mock us for the way we talk English. And I'm guessing it's because of the accent. It's about the accent that he's talking. And I really never understood, what is the right way to talk English? What is the right way? Our country is so diverse that, every state has a different kind of accent. Like people from southern India have different accent, northern, east, west. Everybody speaks with different accent. This is something that I've also experienced as a Bengali. That Bengalis have a very the way Bengalis speak Hindi or English, people mock that also. It's the same thing. So I could really relate to that. The way he said that people mock us for the way we talk in English. Yeah, I mean. Who decides this? Who decides this, man? Who decides this? So that line was really nice. Then the line about beef, because of course it's not banned in Kerala, it's banned in North India. So that's what I'm saying, that the country is so diverse, so diverse. So I really like that he's talking about that where he's so proud from where he comes from. Couple of things that I didn't understand. That poppy line, I did not understand that reference. And he said, no, we don't make every dish in coconut. And people just assume that if you are from South, just everybody from South India is tagged as Madrasi, right? So these are all stereotypes that we have in our country. And yeah, it exists. Let's just accept that the stereotypes exist. People from South, we just tag them as Madrasis, and people from Northeast, they are always so blatantly ignored. And then people from North, they are just rowdy. They are just rowdy. I mean, no, if you're from North, you are just rowdy. I mean, these are the stereotypes which exists. And that, of course, I accept it, and I will not deny it, that our country is weird as well as beautiful, as well as messed up. So but this song was so catchy, so fast paced. Of course it went viral. I mean, it had to go viral because firstly the video is also so beautifully shot. The production value looks great. Rinoj George's personality is so amazing. Like, he has a presence, he has a screen presence, the confidence, the way he was singing the song, all of it was great. Even the lyrics, of course, somebody from Kerala, I mean, I know this would have hit home and you would have said that, yeah, dude, that's what he's literally representing us in a song. So I completely understand, where the feeling of belonging comes from. So yes, this would have resonated with so many people in Kerala. And the fact that, I'm seeing, like, look at the comments here. The comment section is still active. Like, the latest comment I'm seeing is 16 hours before. I mean, the comment section is still active. So people are coming back and listening to this song. That's fantastic. So yes, that was my reaction for I Am Mallu. Damn, and now I don't know, I'll probably search that. There should be a song that I am a bong. That's because in Malayali, you guys say, right? Mallu is the slang that is used. It's same for us Bengalis, where we say, oh, we are bongs. That's the slang word that we use. So yes, I hope you enjoyed this. I really vibed to it. I loved it. The video was beautiful, very engaging. Though I didn't understand a couple of references, but yes, enjoyable nonetheless. So yeah, that was my reaction for today. I hope you've come to the end of the video. I'll sign off now, and I'll see you soon on my next video. Bye bye.